Have you ever imagined being able to regain that vigor that seemed lost in the past? To feel that revitalizing energy that awakens desire and strengthens masculinity again? Many older men face challenges when it comes to performance and libido, but few realize that the solution might lie where they least expect it, in their own diet. Over the years, the body undergoes natural changes and blood circulation isn't what it used to be. This directly affects male potency, leaving many men frustrated and insecure. But what if I told you there are simple, natural, and accessible drinks that can transform this reality? Some of them boost testosterone production, others improve circulation, and enhance the body's response in impressive ways. And the most interesting part, many of these drinks are already part of people's daily routines, but few know their real benefits for male virility. Get ready, because in today's video, I'll reveal the 7 drinks that can make an older man's penis much harder and even increase libido naturally. Stay tuned until the end, because the last drink on the list is one of the most potent, and very few people know about it. Before we begin, I'd like to ask for 2 small favors that could make a big difference. The first is a commitment to yourself. If you're determined to take care of your health and live your best years with energy and vitality, comment below. My health is my wealth. This phrase is an important reminder that the power to transform your future is in your hands. The most fascinating thing is that many of these drinks are common, but few know their benefits for virility. Here are 7 drinks that can make a man firmer and more desirous. 1. Beet juice. One of the most powerful drinks for restoring male vitality in older age is beet juice. Few know this, but this root is a true fuel for blood flow, something essential for firm, long-lasting erections. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound responsible for relaxing and dilating blood vessels. This effect improves circulation and facilitates blood flow to the intimate area, which is crucial for regaining sexual potency as the years pass. Additionally, beet juice helps lower blood pressure, contributing to a healthier heart and more satisfying performance. But the benefits don't stop there. Beets also aid in energy production and stamina, essential factors for maintaining sexual vitality. As the body ages, it naturally loses some of its ability to produce energy efficiently, and that's where this drink comes in as a natural and effective solution. Beyond increasing muscle oxygenation, beet juice improves overall physical performance, helping combat fatigue and boosting energy levels. This means a man doesn't just regain firmness during intimacy, but also enjoys a much more intense and satisfying performance. Another little known fact is that beets stimulate dopamine production, a neurotransmitter directly linked to pleasure and motivation. So, in addition to improving circulation and strengthening erections, this drink also works on the brain, increasing sexual desire and male confidence. When combined with healthy habits like a balanced diet and regular exercise, frequent consumption of beet juice can completely transform an older man's sex life, bringing back the vigor and self-assurance many believe they've lost forever. 2. Ginger tea. A natural stimulant for health and vitality, improves blood circulation. Ginger is a powerful natural vasodilator thanks to active compounds like gingerol and zingerone, which help increase blood flow throughout the body. This improved circulation benefits not only cardiovascular health, but also enhances oxygenation of tissues, including those essential for sexual performance. Boosts testosterone production. Studies show that ginger has properties that stimulate testosterone production, the key hormone for sexual desire, libido, and male energy. It also helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, which can inhibit sexual function, fights inflammation, and revitalizes the body. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger tea helps relieve muscle pain, chronic inflammation, and strengthens the immune system. It's also an excellent natural energizer, combating physical and mental fatigue, leaving the body more energized for daily life and intimacy. Additional benefits: aids digestion and reduces nausea, speeds up metabolism, helping with weight control, protects against infections due to its antibacterial properties. How to prepare ginger tea: boil a cup of water, add 2 to 3 thin slices of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer, the stronger and spicier. Strain and add lemon or honey to taste. Optional. Tip: for best results, drink 1 to 2 cups daily, preferably in the morning or before physical activity for an energy boost. Incorporate this powerful root into your routine and feel the benefits in no time. 3. Watermelon juice. A surprising drink for boosting libido and ensuring firmer erections in older age is watermelon juice. Many don't know this, but this fruit contains a powerful amino acid called citrulline, which has an effect similar to medications used to treat erectile dysfunction. Citrulline helps dilate blood vessels, increasing blood flow throughout the body, including the intimate area. This leads to firmer, longer-lasting erections naturally, without the risks or side effects of synthetic drugs. Additionally, watermelon is extremely hydrating and rich in antioxidants, fighting oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind vitality loss as we age. Beyond these physiological effects, watermelon juice also contributes to increased energy and overall well-being. Since it's naturally sweet and refreshing, drinking it provides an immediate sense of pleasure, reducing stress and helping balance hormones responsible for sexual desire. When combined with healthy habits like exercise and a good diet, this drink becomes a true elixir for an older man's intimate life, restoring the confidence and vigor many believe are lost with time. 4. Golden milk. Another essential drink for strengthening erections and increasing libido in older age is golden milk, a powerful mix made with milk and turmeric. Turmeric, also known as curcumin, is a spice packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that combat cellular aging and improve blood circulation. This effect is crucial for ensuring efficient blood flow to the intimate area, promoting firmer, longer-lasting erections. Additionally, turmeric helps reduce inflammation that can damage blood vessels and impair sexual performance, allowing older men to regain their vitality naturally. 5. Coffee, a natural stimulant for energy, desire, and well-being, improves blood flow and erectile function. Coffee is rich in caffeine, a potent vasodilator that increases blood circulation throughout the body, including the pelvic region. This promotes firmer, longer-lasting erections, as good blood flow is essential for male sexual health. Caffeine also stimulates nitric oxide release, which relaxes blood vessels and enhances intimate performance, boosts energy and sexual desire. As a natural stimulant, coffee provides a surge of energy and alertness, combating fatigue and increasing physical stamina. Studies also link moderate coffee consumption to higher testosterone levels, the hormone responsible for sexual desire and libido in men. Additional benefits of coffee: improves focus and concentration, great for productivity, speeds up metabolism, aiding weight control, rich in antioxidants that fight cellular aging. How to consume for best effects: ideal dose, 1 to 2 cups per day. Avoid excess to prevent anxiety or insomnia. Best time: in the morning or before physical, sexual activity. Pro tip: opt for fresh, high-quality coffee, avoiding excess sugar or artificial creamers. Fun fact: research shows that men who drink coffee regularly have a lower risk of erectile dysfunction compared to those who don't. How about a cup now for an extra boost? 6. Pomegranate juice, nature's potent libido booster. One of the most powerful yet underrated natural remedies for enhancing erectile function and reigniting sexual vitality, especially in older age, is pomegranate juice. While many enjoy its rich, tangy flavor, few realize that this ruby red superfruit is a powerful natural aphrodisiac backed by science for its ability to improve blood flow, boost stamina, and elevate libido. Why pomegranate juice works wonders for men's health: pomegranates are loaded with potent antioxidants, including polycholagins and anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress, support heart health, and enhance circulation. Key factors for strong, sustainable erections. The magic lies in pomegranate's ability to boost nitric oxide production, a crucial molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This process ensures optimal blood flow to the genital area, resulting in firmer, longer-lasting erections and a natural defense against age-related erectile dysfunction, without relying on pharmaceuticals. Beyond sexual health, a heart-protective elixir. Since cardiovascular health is closely linked to sexual performance, pomegranate juice offers a dual benefit. It not only enhances arousal and endurance, but also strengthens the heart and arteries, reducing the risk of blockages that can impair circulation. Studies suggest that regular consumption can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels, making it an essential drink for maintaining long-term vitality and vigor. How to maximize the benefits. For best results, opt for 100% pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice or freshly squeezed varieties to avoid added sugars. Drinking a glass daily can help maintain peak performance, while combining it with a balanced diet and exercise amplifies its effects. Some even blend it with ginger or dark chocolate for an extra libido-boosting kick. 7. Red wine. The secret aphrodisiac for passion and longevity. While often celebrated for its rich flavor and heart-healthy benefits, red wine is also a remarkable yet underappreciated natural enhancer of male sexual vitality, especially as men age. When enjoyed in moderation, 1 to 2 glasses per day, this elegant drink transforms into a powerful ally for libido, circulation, and endurance, thanks to its unique bioactive compounds. The science behind red wine's libido-boosting power. The key lies in resveratrol, a potent antioxidant found in grape skins, which enhances nitric oxide production, relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation to intimate areas for stronger, more sustainable erections, protects cardiovascular health, prevents arterial stiffness, a common culprit behind age-related erectile dysfunction, boosts testosterone levels. Studies suggest moderate red wine consumption may help maintain healthy testosterone, crucial for desire and performance. But resveratrol isn't the only hero. Red wine also contains flavonoids and polyphenols, which fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and support energy metabolism, keeping you feeling youthful and vigorous. A timeless elixir for confidence and stamina. Unlike quick-fix solutions, red wine works holistically. Sharper arousal, improved blood flow heightens sensitivity and pleasure. Longer-lasting performance, better circulation delays fatigue. Mental relaxation, a glass eases stress. A major libido killer, enhancing intimacy. Pro tip: for maximum benefits, choose dry red wines like Cabernet Sauvignon, Pinot Noir, or Malbec, which have higher resveratrol content. Pair with dark chocolate or nuts for an extra aphrodisiac boost. Balance is key. While red wine offers impressive perks, overconsumption has the opposite effect. Excessive alcohol can impair performance. Stick to moderate intake and combine it with a Mediterranean-style diet, rich in fish, olive oil, and greens, for peak results. Final thought: red wine isn't just a drink. It's a sensual, science-backed ritual that preserves virility, passion, and confidence well into later years. So raise a glass to health, pleasure, and timeless vitality. Would you like me to emphasize any specific aspect further? Perhaps pair it with other libido-enhancing foods. Share this video with men who need this message. A big hug, and see you in the next lesson.